This is Proporta's new aluminium lined leather case for the Apple iPad 2. It comes in two different colours. There's the brown with the tartan lining, and then there's the black with the pinstripe lining. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to quickly tell you how to apply the iPad 2 into the case, and also some of the features of this particular case. So you remove it from the packaging, and obviously it has Proporta's aluminium lining. It has a small thin aluminium plate in the front of it to give it extra protection, so against any knocks and bumps, protects the screen of the device. As you can see on the inside, it's got this lovely little tartan design, obviously made of full leather around the outside, cut out on the back for the camera as well. So the best way to apply the iPad 2 into this particular case is at the top where the opening is. You'll see that there's this extra piece of material. This is to actually tuck behind the iPad 2. So as you quickly slide it in, making sure that that tab's pulled out, slide it into the device. It is into the case. It is quite a tight fit because obviously we want to make sure that your iPad 2 is protected as much as possible so it doesn't become loose. So as you can see, this little tab here just tucks behind the back of the iPad 2 and the back of the case. Just quickly tuck that in there. What this then does is then gives you a bit of protection if you were to take it out of your bag, for example, and it was upside down. It gives a bit more protection there so it doesn't just slide straight out onto the floor. So there it is inside the case. Now this particular case comes with a lovely function. It has a couple of different stand functions. In order to create the stand, you put it landscape, and then you've got these two pieces of material here which are raised, which then in turn go against the banding here. So let's just quickly show you that. So there's one position, so you can use this for watching movies, things on YouTube, for example. As you can see, because the device itself will automatically change itself depending on which position it's in. So there's one stand function, and then also it's also got another one a little lower down for if you wanted to type on the screen, for example, send an email. So that's the reason why it's got the two different stand functions there. The case itself will fold up very nicely like that, and it also has a magnetic closure system as well on the back, so no press stud or anything like that. Will just close down very nicely. So there you have it, the Proporta aluminium lined leather case for the Apple iPad 2.